Okay, let's unbox them. So what comes in the box? Manual card. You got your 2 sets of lights. They go into one connection point, one power supply, one controller. Then you've got your power supplier, your cord, plug into the wall. You also have all the little tabs that can go to hold everything together or hold everything to the wall. You don't have to use these though. I typically don't. This strip tape comes with sticky on the back of it that is really adhesive, so it's been really good for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to the sign, lay it out, get an idea of where it needs to go, and then pull the sticky off, get it all stuck down. Okay, we got all of the tape down everywhere. It looks really good. So let's plug this thing in, make sure it works.